guys, so I am here with a incoming swap, and this is the 4th of July swap, summer swap that Beck hosted. And this swap has been sitting in my room for weeks, but I'm getting into it now. Thankfully, Beck is so sweet and patient. So let me open all of this up. I just wanted to show you how beautifully packaged it was. So let me open it up so you don't have to hear all the crinkles. You'll hear some crinkles, but you don't have to hear them all. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I don't know whose swap I have, but whoever it is, they really went like above and beyond. It is beautiful. It is filled with all of the crafty things. I don't know which one of these will likely give me the culprit. I'm thinking this one will give me the name of the person whose swap this is. But look how stinking cute this is. Oh my gosh. So this little tassel is everything. What a cute way to use like this sequin trim. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. You guys look. I mean, who did this? It's so nice. It's so cute. Look at my favorite flowers. This is adorable. The seam binding, everything. Look at this. Look at this chunky embellishment on the top here. So it has that mesh trim. It has holographic, which I mean is my favorite ever. This is gorgeous. This is like so beautiful. My goodness. And this is the Scrap Diva embellishment box. You guys, whose is this? Who did this? This is beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so we have, I'm trying to take the card out of the side here, but it's stuck in here. Good. So whoever made it did not want it to come out easily. This is beautiful. Okay, let's see if we can find the person, the maker of this beautifulness. Look how pretty this card is. I love cards like this, like simple, but like jazzy. So fun. Let's see. Anne. How did I know? How did I know it was going to be that Anne? Because I should know when there's a million things and someone that goes above and beyond. It must be Anne. This is so cute, Anne. I love this card. Okay, so it says, hey, crafty friend. Happy 4th of July. Hope you enjoyed my swap. I really had fun creating with the red, white, and blue. Love your crafty friend, Anne. So Anne is Anne Loca 71. Oh, on Insta and YouTube. Anne, did you change your, because one used to be 70, but now they're both 71. Okay, so I'll make sure that I link Anne's stuff. I should have known. It's so funny because I almost said like this swap is giving Anne because it's just so much. But I was like, what if it isn't Anne, you know? But it's Anne. It is Anne. Oh my gosh, so cute. Anne, you did such a good job. I love it. And I had fun with the red, white, and blue too. I think it's because since it was the scheme, the theme was just a color basically, it made it like fun because you could just basically use anything in that color. Where sometimes when the swap is very specific, it's like you're kind of limited in what you can do. So this is so fun. And you look at this. So good. I feel like you maybe once upon a time told me that you weren't good at layering. Lies. You guys, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. This is literally stunningly gorgeous. And then look at the inside. So she has, did you make these? No. Did you make these? They are so cute. Look how they're just like stacked on top of each other. These are so cute, Anne. I love, okay. And then it's full of goodies, of course. So we have first, and Anne always does the best like packaging because she always has the bags to match her stuff. I buy the bags and then I don't use them. I love these little bottle caps. Sorry guys, I told you there was going to be crinkling. I can't avoid the crinkling. Okay, look at how cute these are. Okay, so she did these little bottle caps. I've been loving making these too. I just made some of these for, I don't even remember what swap it was, but we're going to look at them. Look at these balloons. Adorable. And then we have this Lady Liberty, the Statue of Liberty here. And that one is red. Some of them are sticking together. They're not being nice. Hold on. Let me get this one. Okay, here we go. Fireworks. Adorable. And then we have a flag. So cute. We have a bald eagle. Adorable. She has all of the, like, America emblems, you know. And then we have another Statue of Liberty, but close up. And then this one is another eagle. So cute. And then this is another Statue of Liberty in blue. So cute. Come on. Come on. Some of them, some of them want to be stuck to each other. They're friends. They want to stay together. They don't want to separate. Okay, this one really doesn't want to separate at all. Come on. Okay, here we go. So we have another eagle, and then we have a bell. And okay, let me put some of these down. And then we have another flag and more fireworks, another bell. I think she made like 2 of each. Yeah. So we've seen them all. Balloons, Statue of Liberty, and an eagle. Beautiful. I love these little bottle caps. They're so fun. And then we have the prettiest sequin mix. So pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. This is beautiful. Love it. Okay. And then, oh, how cute. She made a little jumbo paperclip butterfly. I love this so much. It's so cute. Okay, let's see it. How can we, okay, I'm like, how can we open this? And I have these crazy nails. All right. Even though I love my nails. Okay, look. How cute is that? Adorable. And I think she used the Doodlebug Hometown USA, which I also used some of that in mine as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these bows. It's the stars for me, Anne. How cute. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. These are like the angel bows. They're adorable. But look how she put the stars on them. I love how you use the stars. And she put it on acetate so you can use this paper. I love that. I love doing that too. And then we have some really pretty, and Anne loves butterflies. We have some butterfly shakers. Let's look at these butterflies up close. And they are also on acetate, so the paper in the background can be used. And this paper is from Hobby Lobby. This paper. Look at these shaker butterflies. Look how cute they are. Aren't they adorable? Oh my gosh, and she put all these little seed beads in there too. Such a good use of seed beads. These are so thick and chunky too. So cute. I love those. Okay, I have to save those. Okay, and then we have these glasses. I just use these glasses for a different swap, but they're so cute for this. They're perfect for this. Actually, they're actually perfect for this. So we have this paper here, and then look how cute. I love how you use these beads like this. That's adorable. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I love this shaker. This is the mix that I have, guys. It shakes so well. It has like the best shaker noise. And she put her birthday, May 15th, her favorite colors, pink and gold, and she loves Christmas and Halloween. And she is Anne Loca 71 on YouTube and Instagram. But all her stuff will be in the description bar. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this cute ice cream shaker. Oh my gosh. How cute is this? I love it. And then look, ooh, these are the Scrap Diva bows. These are adorable. I love how you use foil paper on here too. And they are super duper mega thick. She used the 5mm foam, which I need to use more of, because look how how thin this shaker is and how thick, like it's like thin and thick at the same time. It cuts really well. It looks so good. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, look at these. How cute are these, you guys? I love these. And I love the use of the flowers in the middle of there. What a great idea. So good, Anne. And this one I'm going to open because since it's foil, it's kind of like, if you can see it good, then I don't always open it. But when you can't, I'm like, you need to be able to see all of this goodness. Because look at this. Look how pretty. Like, how cute is that? I love this. This is so cute. And then there's something in here. And these are the little, I got some of these too. They're, Anne, oh my gosh. Oh, this is so exciting. Wait, guys, look what's in here. Look, my favorite, a pokey tool. A pokey tool and a pen. Oh my gosh, look how cute this pen is. And look, it even has a little, it has a USA hanging from it. How cute is this? This is such a pretty blue. And then, you guys, look at this. This pokey tool is everything. Look how it has hanging. This is so pretty, Anne. Oh my gosh. Anne has the best beads. So she's bead obsessed like I am. She might be more bead obsessed than me, maybe. Maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. I try to really, this is my favorite bead. Like ever. Like ever. How cute. Oh my gosh. I love pokey tools. They are my favorite. Okay, that's all that came out of this humongous embellishment box. But that is not all, because we are talking about Anne here. So that means there's 100 more items, because she is like one of the most generous crafters. And then there's 2 refills in here too. And look how cute she put it in this little thing. I bought some of these in pink. Didn't see them in clear. Clear is good. I think they were from Walmart. And then look at this little hot dog container. Adorable. Oh, she put some beads in here. Look, guys. Look Look at this. These 4th of July charms. I don't have any charms for 4th of July. Any. So I am all set for next year. I do not even have a single one. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Oh, Sam. Look at these stars. I love the stars, of course. I love stars and the beads. And look at this little gummy bear. Cute, cute, cute. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. So I am literally all set. Look at this cat. Look how cute he is. Can you guys see him? Yeah, he's so cute. Oh my gosh, ice cream. I mean, it's like a whole pack of charms in here. This is literally perfect. I am all set. And look how pretty. She gave me these pretty beads, like ones you could use on a pokey tool. And look at this. I showed the gummy bear already. He's so cute. Adorable. And then she put a little bow on top. How cute. And then look how cute. I like to craft with these necklaces. So thank you so much for that. A little glow stick. How cute. And it probably, oh no, look. Ah, I'm going to do it now, guys. Look, I was like, it's probably glowing, but I took too long to open the package. It wasn't. Look. You guys, I love glow sticks because, of course, they glow. Like, why? Who wouldn't love them? I literally love these things. Me and my kids love them too. They're so fun. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's going to bring me joy until it goes away. And then look at these washi tapes. I'm literally all set for 4th of July next year, which is so fun. Because this year because last year was my first swap that I ever did was 4th of July. So this year I got to reuse stuff and I loved that. And now I'll have stuff for next year. Look how pretty this washi is. It's so pretty. And look at these socks. I love socks. I will definitely be wearing these. I was wearing some seasonal socks just yesterday. I do actually wear my seasonal socks. So cute. And I love how you put it in this thing like this. So cute. Oh my gosh, Anne. And as if that is not enough, look at this painted box. Look, she painted the box red and then decorated it so stinking cute. You guys look. And in here we have the best thing ever, which are gummies. And look at these. I am so happy to have these. And you guys, I am proud to announce that I no longer have braces, which means I will be eating these. I mean, I was eating things when I had the braces. I wasn't supposed to, but I still was. Not so much, but now that I don't have them anymore, these are so good. These are the best flavors too. The red, white, and blue. These are the best ones because they have cherry, pineapple, and blue raspberry. And these are my 3 favorite Haribo. I say Haribo flavors. And then look at this. This is the banner, which this is one of the requirements of the swap. And this banner is so stinking cute. I feel like I saw some of the reveal of this. I don't know. I don't think I saw the reveal of this, the whole thing, because I would have remembered all this stuff and I would have known then who it was from. But I feel like this banner looks familiar. Maybe I saw it in like the thumbnail or something. Let's see here what this looks like. How cute! This is so cute. This starburst is so cute on here. Oh my gosh, this is the perfect size. You guys look, USA. How pretty is this? I love these stars too. And you did such a great job. Look at the USA. Oh my gosh, the layers. And I love the hollow. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And thank you. Oh my gosh, we're not done, guys. What was I thinking? We're not done. We still have a whole bag here. This girl loves to go above and beyond. Oh my gosh, look at this pinwheel. Oh my gosh, so fun. Wait. Why doesn't it want to spin? Oh, because it's back too far. I don't know. I probably crushed it. I don't know what's going on. Oh, okay. I think I need to put something here or something. I don't know. But look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is so cute coming out of like a loaded pocket. And then look how cute this is. I'm so glad this thing is still in because I am going to be saving this to next year and I'm going to be wearing it next year. It's so cute. And then this Happy 4th from Hobby Lobby. I did not get any of these this year, so I'm so happy to have one. Adorable. And then look how cute. So sometimes with these stars, you can either use it as string lights or you can pull these off and use these as like embellishments, which I sometimes do too. And this has a lot of them on here. Has a lot of lights on here. This one is from Hobby Lobby. I didn't even see these this year. I didn't do a lot of shopping for 4th of July around 4th of July. Oh my gosh. A bag full of goodies, guys. Also, look how cute this bag is. Look how cute it is. So cute. Okay, so then in here we have this guy, which is like a little 4th of July ornament. We have some sweets in here. Let me open this. This is so cute. What a cute use. Anne is the best with bags. Oh my gosh, there's my crazy ice maker until I get it a different one because I don't even want to get it fixed because it's new and it's already making noise. Oh, Anne loves Twizzlers. I love Airheads. Okay, so we have these Twizzlers. I love the strawberry Twizzlers. I don't like the cherry ones, but I love the strawberry ones. Look at, these are my favorite. I love Airheads and I don't have these crazy braces. And look at the Pop Rocks. So fun. What a cute sweets mix. And of course she had like confetti coming out, which is so fun. And then last but certainly not least, we have some goodies here. We have this 4th of July mini felt banner. Adorable. We have this. These are window clings, gel clings. It says USA. We have this USA patch sticker. Adorable. Oh my gosh, these adorable stickers here. I don't know where this came from. I'm just going to stick it right there. These bows that are so cute. These Uncle Sam, so cute. And then these. And look at my desk full of 4th of July goodness. I'm so excited. I'm going to package all of this up for next year and use it. So you guys will be seeing this on my channel next year, some of this stuff. And you guys make sure you go over and subscribe to Anne. She is the sweetest and always, all of her swaps are like this, guys. Super generous and super talented. And make sure that you subscribe to her on Instagram and YouTube, and make sure you're subscribed here. If you're not, why not? Why aren't you? Come on, come over here. We have a lot of fun over here. Yes, so that is all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.